Hello everybody, hope everyone is having a good day and a good week so far, and welcome to my channel, guys. This is another declutter, organize, and cleaning my bedroom. I just did this right here, and I'm going to be doing the top probably tomorrow because it's like really hot out. We have our air on, it's like 91 degrees, so I am not really doing that much. I'm just kind of like dusting and stuff. Cleaning. This is the only area that I'm doing today. I got these at Big Lots like a really long time ago, and I gotta go through these. These are really old Dollar Tree. These are like super old, and I need to go through these. So yeah. And these are all brand new, basically. All these other lipsticks, and I have makeup like all the way down there as well. And I got this like at Big Lots like ages ago. This is what it looks like right now. And I need to do the top. That's my Las Vegas sign right there. My friend gave me that to me a long time ago. So yeah, this is what it looks like so far. Yeah, I accidentally spilled some on the floor, but yeah, I'm not really doing anything because like I said, it's like 91 degrees outside. We do have our air conditioning on and everything, and it's very hot, so it's very humid and hot right now. And this is what I've been doing the last few days, is just cleaning and organizing. So because I have a very small bedroom here, so but yeah, this is what I have been doing on my vacation. I think I got 2 more vacations coming up. I usually take my last vacation during Christmas, and I take one in June, but I decided to take it early this year though. I get a week off, but yeah, I am doing this on my vacation because we're not really doing anything. But yeah, and this is what it looks like so far, guys. If you guys like my videos, please like, sub, and comment, and hit the notification bell. If you don't, you never know when I upload. And guys, I bought another eyeshadow palette off of Amazon. I'll be getting some more pictures for my collage. I'm going to be working on that tomorrow, and then I'm going to take a couple of days off. But anyways, thanks for watching, and have a good day.